For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're like me and you love keeping your kitchen or storage spaces organized without constantly digging through clutter, then the Copco Basics Non-Skid Pantry Cabinet Lazy Susan Turntable, 12-inch, white/gray, 1 count, pack of 1, is something you'll want to check out. I first started using this turntable while reorganizing my spice cabinet. Before that, I used to knock over half the bottles just to find cinnamon, but once I placed this in, everything was right where I needed it with a simple spin. Let's talk about what makes this turntable so useful. It's not just limited to kitchen use. You can easily use it in your fridge, bathroom, craft room, or anywhere you need a quick access solution. I actually use a second one under the sink for my skincare and small cleaning bottles. It glides smoothly and everything stays upright even when I give it a fast turn. The non-skid surface is one of its best features. It's molded into the base itself, so nothing peels off or slips around. Whether you're storing sauces, oils, or art supplies, everything stays in place without sliding off. It's also super easy to wipe clean, which is something I appreciate after a few spills during dinner prep. You'll notice the rimmed edge does a great job of keeping items contained. The turntable is made of sturdy polypropylene, and the beaded texture on the surface helps prevent tipping. It's simple but clearly built with functionality in mind. One of the biggest wins here is how it helps maximize space. That revolving design really comes in handy for deep cabinets or tight corners. I used to forget what was at the back of my shelves, but not anymore. Now, I just give it a turn, and everything is in reach. It's honestly a space saver and time saver. Size-wise, it measures 1.5 inches in height and 12 inches across. The interior usable space is slightly smaller, around 10.5 to 11 inches, but still holds plenty. I was able to fit 8 spice jars comfortably without crowding. If you've been thinking about tidying up a shelf or just want to make your daily routine easier, this little tool really does the trick. I even recommended it to a friend who used it to organize her coffee station. Whether it's the kitchen, bathroom, or even a craft room, this turntable brings a level of simplicity and order that just works.